In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva not letting me add a transition. We will walk through the exact steps you need, and I will explain what you should see on your screen as we go, so you can follow along without wondering if something is wrong. First, make sure you have multiple pages in your Canva design. If you only see one page in the page list on the right or at the bottom, Canva has nothing to place a transition between, so the option will not appear. Take a quick look at that page area now. You should see small thumbnails of your design pages stacked or lined up. If there is only one thumbnail, that is the reason transitions are not available yet. Transitions only work between pages or slides. That means Canva needs a page before and a page after to create the animation that moves from one to the other. If you are working on a single social post or any design with only one page, the transition controls will stay hidden. This often confuses beginners because the animation options for elements can still appear, but the page transition button will not. What you are fixing here is the specific problem of page-to-page transitions, like in a slideshow or video. Now add at least 2 pages to your design. Look at the bottom or side page panel and use the option there to create a new page, so you end up with a minimum of 2 small page thumbnails. You can duplicate your existing page or add a blank one. Both work for transitions. Once you do that, you should clearly see page 1 and page 2 in the list. Having more than 2 pages is fine as well. Every gap between 2 pages can have its own transition. A small tip here, if your internet connection is slow, give Canva a second after adding the new page so it can update the interface and show the transition controls. With those pages in place, hover between the pages. Move your mouse to the narrow space right between the first page thumbnail and the second one. Do not click yet. Just rest the pointer there. In a moment, a small label or button will appear in that gap. This only shows up when the cursor is exactly between 2 pages, not on top of a page itself, which is why it is easy to miss the first time you try. When that little option appears, click Add Transition. As soon as you click, Canva opens a panel with different transition styles, and the space between your 2 pages shows a small transition icon. That icon is the visual sign that a transition is now applied. Many beginners think they need to press a save button here, but Canva saves this change automatically as soon as you select it. You just fixed Canva not letting you add a transition by adding a second page and using the Add Transition button between them. So give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe if you would like more simple Canva fixes like this.